Hi guys, today I've got a side bun hairstyle in less than 2 minutes. To start, pop the hair into a side ponytail and leave some hair out to frame the face. Now we're going to divide the ponytail in half and we're just going to pop a clear elastic band about 2/3 down the length of the ponytail and do this on both sides. Now take one of those little ponytails and we're going to make a hole from the top to the elastic band, pop our hands through the middle, grab the ends and pull it through to create a twist. And we're just going to keep popping our hands through, grabbing the tails and twisting the hair. Keep going until you get that twist nice and tight there where it starts curling up a little bit, and then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Now take those two twisted sections and we're just going to wrap them around one another to create one big twist and secure them at the end with another clear elastic band. Next, we're simply going to take that big twist and wrap it around the elastic band, making sure that we tuck the tail ends underneath, and then just use as many bobby pins as needed to secure that side bun all the way around. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.